To check your transaction history on MoneyGram, you can follow these simple steps. This guide will help you access your past transactions quickly and easily. Step 1. Visit the MoneyGram website. Go to the official MoneyGram website using your web browser. Make sure you are on the correct site to ensure your information is secure. Step 2. Log into your account. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to transaction history. Once logged in, look for the transaction history on My Transactions section in your account dashboard. Quick way to view your past transactions. Step 4. Select the date range. You may have the option to filter your transaction history by date. Choose the desired date range to narrow down the transactions you want to review. Step 5. Review your transactions. After applying any filters, you will see a list of your transactions. Click on any specific transaction to view more details such as the amount sent, recipient information, and transaction status. By following these steps, you can easily access and review your transaction history on MoneyGram. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to MoneyGram customer support for assistance.